Let's look closely at the International Space Station. In this video, you will look at some pictures and answer some questions. When it's time to answer a question, you can pause the video and talk to somebody near you about your observations. Or you can write them down or draw pictures, or you can just think in your head. Have you ever wondered where astronauts live and do experiments when they go up in space for a long time? This is the International Space Station. It is a very large spacecraft where astronauts live and work in space. Many countries work together to build the space station. The space station orbits around Earth, which means it follows a repeating path around the Earth. Can you stand up and orbit around something? Maybe a chair or a table? When we look closely, we have to be sure to look at all the parts of an image. Follow the orange star to look closely at the picture. Look at the top of the picture. Look at the bottom of the picture. What do you see? What questions do you have? Look at the left side of the picture. Look at the right side of the picture. What do you notice? What do you wonder about? Now look at the whole picture. Let's look inside the International Space Station. How many astronauts do you see? I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These astronauts are scientists who learn about living and working in space. How many blue bars do you see? I see 10. It looks like some of the astronauts are holding onto the bars. Do you see that? Here, here, and here. Why are some of the astronauts upside down? When astronauts are aboard the International Space Station, they appear to float because there is less gravity than on Earth, and they are falling around Earth at the same speed as the station. The astronauts grab the blue bars to help them move around the space station. This is the cupola of the International Space Station. Astronauts look out all the windows to observe Earth and space. This is what Earth looks like from the cupola. How many windows do you see? I count 7, the round one in the middle, and 6 other windows around it. Let's look at outside of the International Space Station. Wow! Let's look at this picture taken outside of the space station. Look closely. What do you notice? What do you wonder? Remember to look at the top and bottom of the picture. Remember to look at the left and right sides of the picture. Did you notice that the blue on the left side of the picture is planet Earth? Why is the astronaut outside of the space station? Astronauts go outside of the space station to do experiments or to fix the space station. For example, on October 18, 2019, the first 2 women astronauts to do a spacewalk together had to change an important battery on the station. Thanks for looking closely at the International Space Station. Looking for more? Check out additional Looking Closely videos and Flights of Fancy Storytime on YouTube.